My bicycle's being rented. And you got another one. Worried my little friend here wouldn't have babies, but they're in there popping their little head out. Right, actually got my nice light that Marcus gave me with the bike that he rented. And these birds, you can see their remnants. They've been in here quite a while, and I'm hoping there's not a dead one in here. Mom has gone, and they're just little peepers like a week ago. Oh my goodness, look at this. I wish my phone had a light. The nest is pretty well empty. Yeah, it's empty. I'm an empty nester. As it turned, I thought Happy came up here and fired out the generator and it was blowing smoke all over, and I was worried because the mom bird mother and father bird quit coming around, the parents. And it turns out they're super friendly birds, these Carolina wrens. Turns out they only have an incubation period of 16 days and a nesting period of 18 days. So they basically flew the nest. I'm a successful helper here.